Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Peace Okori TV. Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel but don't know where to start from? Well, today I'm going to show you 5 steps on how to start your journey as a YouTuber. No stress, no fancy equipment needed. Just passion. Step 1, find your why. When I said find your why, ask yourself, why do I want to be a YouTuber? Is it to share knowledge? Is it to entertain? Is it to inspire or just have fun? Your why will guide you on the kind of content you should create to keep you going when it's tough. Step 2, find your niche. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one area like lifestyle, cooking, motivation, comedy, gaming, or beauty. When I said find your niche, like lifestyle is all about what is happening. It's all about your lifestyle, what is happening, your daily lifestyle. Then for cooking, whatever you're cooking, you post. Motivation, just wake up, set your cameras, motivate people. Comedy, when you're funny, just talk about anything funny to entertain your audience. Beauty, can wake up, set your camera, make up your face, talk about skincare, talk about nails, how to take care of nails, how to take care of your eyebrow, and so on and so forth. When you focus on just one niche, your audience will know what exactly they're expecting from your videos. Step 3, start with what you have. You don't have to wait to buy expensive cameras, expensive gadgets before you start shooting your content. You can start with your phone, natural light. There are so many free editing apps you can use to edit your videos. For the meantime, what matters most is creativity. Step 4, be consistent. Post at least once in a week. Your audience will trust you more. You don't have to wait for 1 month to post one video. At least post one video every day. If your niche is cooking, today you can cook rice and post. Tomorrow, beans and post. You don't have to wait to create or post 100. You don't have to wait to have 100 videos before you start posting. Step 5, engage and grow. How do you engage and grow your page or your channel on YouTube? 1, you have to reply to comments, ask your audience questions so you know where you're making mistakes and where you need to correct yourself. We have so many social medias. There is Facebook, there is WhatsApp, there is Instagram, there is Twitter. There are so many social media you can share your videos to grow your audience. Remember, it's not just about building views. It's about building a community, building audience that are always coming back for more videos. Becoming a YouTuber is not all about being perfect. So start today. Share your voice. Let the world hear your story. If it's about cooking, the world should hear about your story. If it's about motivation, people need to be motivated. Why are you laughing at me now? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and watch out for my next video so you will never miss an update from this channel. See you on my next video.